Hello dear friends. Welcome back to TechnoYara. In today's video, I will show you how you can check your custom duty payment status online without using your Iecgate login ID and password. So, let's start the video. First of all, open the Iecgate portal in your browser. Or, if you want to save time, you can use the link given in the description box. There, you will find a step-by-step guide in PDF format along with the direct duty check page link. On the homepage, you will see many options. Now, click on the Services option. After that, click on e-payment. Here you will see 4 options. Click on the second option, Central Excise/Service Tax/HSN Cess. Then click on the Enquiry module. Now select ICE's Customs Duty/Unaccompanied Baggage Customs Duty. In the document type, select B, Bill of Entry. In the identification number, enter your IEC number and fill the CAPTCHA code. Now select your port name from the drop-down list and click on Proceed. Now you can see the duty status of your shipment. Select the date range from which date you want to check the duty status and click on Submit. As you can see, my one duty payment has been failed, so I need to try again for payment. Here you can also see the challan number and duty amount. If I select another date, you can see that my previous duty payments were successful. Important note: this method is only for checking duty payment status. For full shipment details, you must log in to your Iecgate account. This video is made for educational purposes only. That's all for today's video. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to TechnoYara. And comment below for more Iecgate related videos. Thanks for watching.